shopping at Walmart, as you can see. Ooh, race car.
Wait, you saw
What's up, Mari?
Saw a race car bit? Nana, haven't you and me went here before? Nana, did you see that nerdy? Hi. Hi, bye. Hi, bye. Blah, 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 blah. Nice. Right next to those things.
I'm just looking at some models over here.
You don't want to do this. Girl stuff. Ugh. I don't think. Baby stuff.
Look at these. You know Ryder has these?
He does.
Yeah, he has these.
Our cousin, Ryder?
Yeah, Ryder. He has this one.
This is all girl stuff. Let's go to the boy side.
Wow. You say it was girl size. No.
Some nice ugly pants. Some ugly shirts because I don't like the Raiders. This is nasty. Cowboy shirt. Oh, this is kind of nice. Kind of. Oh, that's kind of nice. Survival kit. What the heck? And this. Wow. Oh, Ninja Turtle. Walking through the store. Oh, these are some nice pants. Oh my gosh, these are some nice pants. They're not even here to shop. They're here to get sold. Nobody shop at Walmart. Not cheap. Some ugly cheap shoes. Look at all these ugly cheap shoes. Cheap shoes. Some, these are nasty.
Those are work boots. I hate
These are nasty.
I hate these.
These are nasty.
I would only like if they
These are nasty.
I don't think they're color, but
These are nasty.
these color. Those are not.
Nobody gonna shop here.
Nobody wants
Some ugly shops.
Uncle Bob wears those.
Mari, for real? Mari, for real? For real. Alright guys, we're about to leave. Peace.